grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now, it is crucial times, dude. Get ready for $10,000 a day candles for BTC. Okay, look what BTC just did. This is the weekly chart. Let's actually go to the daily chart right here. Look what Bitcoin just did. Bitcoin made a major candle right here and almost crossed. I think it bounced off of our October resistance, the October 20th resistance. But we need to talk about what happened with the crypto market cap. I believe we reached 3 trillion as well. We're going to talk about everything in this video, man. This is the daily market update. Welcome back. Make sure you smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram up there and join the Telegram. Now let's go. Loop ring. If you've been holding on to that loop ring, dude, you've been cashing in. This thing has been absolutely killing it, right? Just this month, it's up 342%. What's up, stock market? Y'all are trash in the stock market. We make 300% in 1 month. I love dissing the stock market. Now, CRO as well. Look at this. CRO is almost at 40 cents. So literally broke the previous resistance, which was at, hold on, let me go here. Yeah, right here, 40 cents. We broke it. We're at 41 cents right there. We see Bitcoin 66,000, dude. This is it. Like we're approaching. Look, Ethereum could be 5K any second. Snap of a finger, Ethereum could be 5K, right? I think that Solana is going to get above $500 this year. Above $500 this year. I don't care about Binance Coin. They have no business being this high market cap, in my opinion. XRP as well. We have a nice XRP chart in this video. We're also going to cover some damning evidence for Ethereum of a potential security lawsuit. Again, with that, we're gonna cover it. So let's look through the market here. We have Shiba Inu down 21% on the 7 days. Chainlink is still not $100. I hope that it does go to $100 for all of the Chainlink Marines, right? We've got some Polygon news today, VeChain. We've got some exciting Hbar stuff today. Look at this, Hbar killing it on the daily. Near protocol as well. Take a look at this though. BTC, man. Let me zoom out to the 1 hour. Look at this. This is just gorgeous, right? This literally came out of nowhere. I got a Discord DM saying, dude, wake up. It's 60. Bitcoin is 65K. And I look and it's 65K. We came all the way from literally we were sitting at yesterday. Let me see. 62,000. We did a $3,000 move so fast, right? This is the time. So take a look at this. This is from Thinking Crypto. BTC literally said, F your red candles and support levels, now at 63K. I ain't mad at this, right? This was November 7, 2021, 1:41 p.m. We see that it did really say, screw the red candles, and it continued up because he's saying now at 63K. We got all the hype brewing, right? I'm trying to tell you with Bitcoin, all of the hype is brewing. Cameron Winklevoss says Bitcoin feels like it's going to have a 7 in front of it soon, which means it's going to reach 70K. It is going to reach 70K in November. Absolutely going to reach 70K in November. We don't know how high, though. Is it going to break into that 80? You even have this guy. Speaking of Plan B, we have another amazing chart from him right here, talking about the stock to flow model predicting 100K average for this halving period. So each of these is the halving periods, right? Bitcoin basically has a formula, like it's coded to go up. You know, it's coded. Like it's built into the code for the price to rise because of supply and demand. And you can map that with the stock to flow model. And that's what Plan B does right here. He says, based on floor model, we reach 100K this year. But the stock to flow cross asset model predicts $288,000 average this cycle. We need some real fireworks in 2022 for that, right? And Benjamin Cohen's in the comments saying, I like the idea of the cycle extending into 2022. I agree. The cycle will extend into 2022. I just believe that something big is going to happen in January. I'm going to keep saying that until we see what happens. I don't know. So $288,000 Bitcoin case right here. I love covering these like really bullish Bitcoin sentiments and different graphs that show that it could really, really turn up here. Just because like I'm so invested in altcoins, I have no Bitcoin, right? Because the upside on Bitcoin, like the amount of money I could make on Bitcoin is pennies compared to what I can make on different altcoins. So, if Bitcoin goes to 288K, that means that we will see the most explosive altcoin run ever. I think anyways, like no matter what happens, altcoins are gonna explode. Now take a look at this from JD right here on TradingView. Look at this. Okay, this is a chart. We covered this exact chart where he was saying the 74x after the stochastic RSI cross happens, right? 74x for XRP. But look at this, the bullish pennant right here. He's drawn out this bullish pennant right here, and you can see it has broken. And this is the 2-week chart, by the way. So it's possible that in the next 2 weeks, we really, really see something crazy for XRP, right? And dude, it just feels like it. It just feels it feels like we're on the edge of glory. Shout out, was it Lady Gaga who sung that? I think it is. I'm on the edge of glory. That's it. Yeah, we're on the edge of glory. Okay, and look, it's right there. That's the edge of glory. He also saying the RSI is highly oversold on the 2-week chart, and the 2-year trend line is getting smaller. Potential breakout soon. So very nice chart right here. We also have the Hbar chart. Look at this. Hbar bounced clean off the resistance that we set at the start of November. Bounced clean off it. Oh my goodness, what am I drawing here? Bounce clean off it. And I wanted to show you, if I was tracking this on MarketCypher, maybe I should be trading Hbar and longing and shorting Hbar, because look at this. We had an anchor wave and trigger wave set up right here. Right? One smaller wave right there. So you would be watching for the smaller wave, and then you're watching for the light blue to cross right here, right? And you can see that the VWAP, which is the volume weighted average price, right? Right here, the VWAP is that yellow. I usually have it as a line and not a wave. And you can change that. If you're using this, you can change that by going here, going to the VWAP, going right here, clicking line, and then I make it 100% opacity and I turn the thickness up. So look at this. You can see that the VWAP actually crossed right as you got this signal. The signal happens when this light blue crosses into the dark blue. Right? So you would have longed right here, and look what the price did. Look what the price did. This is 1 hour, so you'd be taking a long trade, but look at this. You would have longed right here and got in at 37. The price went all the way to 38. Boom. Exploded all the way to 42 and bounced off that resistance. Craziness. Okay? Hbar. More hype for Hbar right here. I keep covering this, but Hashport, I think, is going to be a game changer. It's not a coin, so don't try and go get it. Hashport is connecting Ethereum and Polygon networks, right? Look at this. Hold on, where is it? This is interoperability right here. Man, I should have... digital assets will move freely between the decentralized networks, enabling collectibles, such as NFTs, to be transferred to the high-speed Hedera network. I cannot wait to see what this is. Like when you go on their website, right? If you go on their website, you see it says hello interoperability, first of all, and it says launch app. So this feels like a swap thing. Like, you know, when you go on Uniswap, it feels like a swap. When you go on Uniswap, that says launch app right there. So I can't wait to see what they bring with that. Hbar, more hype. We have Hbar to the moon saying, first, the South Korean won-based stablecoins news come out, right? We saw this. I put this in my video. The South Korean won is being built on Hbar or on Hedera Hashgraph. The African Rand coin has just been found on Dragon Glass. Dragon Glass is like how you track all the activity on the Hedera Hashgraph network, right? Look at this. Which Christian Hasker, who works for Hedera, said he can't talk about instead of denying it. So the African Rand, dude, if we get that on Hedera, I like it. Now look at this. This is a damning clip from Gary Gensler, and he legitimately just says to you that he thinks Ethereum is a security. Take a look at this. 43 seconds. Watch this.
Because they're investment contracts where there is an exchange of money, there's a common enterprise, you're relying on somebody else's expertise for profits. This is why I've earlier this year said I think that most of them are. I think Ether, when it was done in 2014, would pass this test. When I say pass, it means it's a security. Now, subsequently, the SEC has said by 2018 it's decentralized enough, and they've sort of said, we'll let it go the other way. But whether it's Ripple or EOS or others that have done big initial coin offerings, when you think about these four things, they're probably there.
They always mention EOS. It's very interesting. I think they had some problems with regulations, but look at that. He literally says he thinks Ether is a security, but now he won't answer the question when we ask him, is it a security? He won't answer it now. Man, that is insane. Dude, we're going to see what happens with this guy. He is either a savior or a deceiver. Now, we have a Bank of International Settlement speech coming out, right? Speech by Augustin Carstens. If we go down here, right, this is all about interoperability. He says that interoperability is, look at this, getting interoperability right could have important implications for the financial industry. Interoperability could ensure that the new world of fintech innovations is open and competitive. It could become the cornerstone on which a new payment ecosystem develops. This is QNT, going to connect everything here, right? This is Quant. This is Ripple, right? Connecting every single thing. The interoperability is the key part of this entire thing. Charlie Biello says the returns for the last 10 years, I always like showing things like this. All of these are stocks and precious metals. All of them are under 20,000%. Bitcoin is 2 million% over the last 10 years. Come on, man. Get with the crypto. You are with the crypto. So you are winning. You are winning. Just by learning. If you're losing all your money, still just learning, you're ahead of everybody else. The New York mayor wants schools to teach about Bitcoin and blockchain. This is what I'm saying. They're just starting to teach about it right now. He says he described Bitcoin and the alternative coins as a new way for paying for goods and services throughout the entire globe. Okay, we see his understanding of it then. But yes, this is really dope. We do need to teach this in schools. We need to teach the new financial system. No more traditional finance, bro. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Stop teaching that in the school. Teach this. Teach DeFi because it's going to work. Or it's going to be what's used by the smart people. OpenSea has crossed 10 billion in all-time sales volume. I want to show you guys an update on the NFT market. As you can see, the daily volume has 100% came down. It's almost like we had a double peak, and I felt this the whole time. I called this top, by the way. I called this top on my TikTok. I called the top of the NFT market. But look at this. You can see that we had this little peak, and I was feeling this. I'm like, okay, this is a second run, and then it's slowly trailed off. But one thing I want to show you, total OpenSea traders over time, we've been growing. Take a look. The chart is up only, and it's been up only. Boom. Right at the start of this year, there was only 35,000 OpenSea traders. Craziness, right? And the Polygon volume has stayed the same, essentially. It's pretty crazy right there. So that is all we've got for the daily market update. I appreciate all of you tuning in every single day. Crucial times, right? We did a live stream yesterday. If you want an hour more of content, we might have looked at your favorite altcoin. I watched I took a bunch of requests for altcoins, right? And we checked them out. So maybe your favorite altcoin's in there. or maybe you'll find a new gem in there. So that is all we've got. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow on Instagram, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, join the Telegram group, and goodbye.
Crawl.